Brigit gives you small cash advances based on your bank account activity, while Possible Finance gives you installment-style loans that you repay over time. That difference changes everything about how fast you get money and how stressful repayment feels. By the end, you'll know how each app handles approval, how repayment actually works in real use, and which one fits better depending on whether you want fast advances or structured loans. Brigit is built for short-term cash advances. It connects to your bank account and checks your income deposits and spending patterns. If your account shows stable activity, it can offer small advances before your paycheck arrives. The focus is quick access with minimal steps and a simple approval flow. Possible Finance works more like a micro-loan app. Instead of giving a paycheck-style advance, it provides installment loans. You receive the money up front, then repay it in scheduled payments over time. That structure spreads repayment out, instead of taking it all at once. Now break down approval style. Brigit focuses on your bank activity and income consistency. If your paycheck deposits look steady, you have a higher chance of getting approved for an advance. Possible Finance focuses on your ability to handle installment repayment. It looks at banking history and financial behavior to decide whether you can manage a loan over multiple payments. Now talk about repayment. Brigit typically expects repayment tied closely to your next paycheck cycle. That makes it fast to clear, but it can feel tight if your budget is already stretched. Possible Finance uses installment repayment. You pay back in smaller chunks over time instead of one lump deduction. That reduces short-term pressure, but extends the repayment period. Now the key difference. Brigit is built for fast cash access with short repayment timing. Possible Finance is built for structured borrowing with longer repayment schedules. So the decision depends on how you want to manage repayment pressure. If you want quick cash before payday with simple approval, Brigit is more direct. If you want a loan you can repay in smaller installments over time, Possible Finance gives you more structure. Here's the simple breakdown. Brigit is focused on fast advances tied to your paycheck timing. Possible Finance is focused on installment loans that spread repayment out. Both use your financial history, but they solve different problems. Do this next. Think about whether your main issue is short-term cash gaps or longer repayment flexibility. Then compare how comfortable you are with fast repayment versus scheduled installments. If you want quick access to small advances, Brigit fits better. If you want structured repayment over time, Possible Finance is the stronger choice.